Before we begin, here's an overview of what you can expect throughout the course. Understand the biology of hair and scalp function. Develop a strong foundation in hair structure, the hair shaft, and the full hair growth cycle. Recognize how internal and external factors, including hormones, nutrition, inflammation, and stress, affect hair and follicular health. Identify scalp anatomy and structural changes. Gain comprehensive knowledge of the scalp's layers, glands, follicles, vascular supply, and microbiome ecosystem. Learn how structural changes relate to symptoms, disorders, and long-term scalp health. Recognize and differentiate scalp conditions. Accurately identify common and rare scalp disorders, such as psoriasis, seborrheic dermatitis, dandruff, allergic eczema, folliculitis, and rare conditions like Pili multigemini. Understand their causes, symptoms, triggers, and implications for treatment planning. Apply nutrition principles for scalp wellness. Understand the role of vitamins, minerals, hydration, and dietary patterns in scalp and follicular function. Offer guidance that supports healing, reduces inflammation, and strengthens the hair growth environment. Demonstrate full knowledge of the Rejuva scalp system. Explain how the Rejuva scalp system works, including its technology, therapeutic benefits, oxygen infusion mechanisms, exfoliation techniques, and client outcomes. Perform professional consultations and microscopic analysis. Gain expertise in medical grade and natural ingredients, including sulfur, salicylic acid, zinc pyrithione, selenium sulfide, ketoconazole, coal tar, and botanical extracts. Understand their actions, safety considerations, and how they support exfoliation, detoxification, and scalp restoration. Execute the complete Rejuva scalp treatment protocol. Perform each step of the professional protocol with precision: oil softening, oxygen infusion, exfoliation, jet peel cleansing, shampooing, scalp balm application, drying, and final imaging. Adapt the protocol for sensitive or chronic conditions. Maintain high standards of sanitation and professional safety. Apply proper sanitation procedures, PPE usage, blood-borne pathogen precautions, and safe equipment handling practices. Ensure a sterile, organized, and compliant treatment environment. Educate clients on aftercare and long-term maintenance. Provide clients with actionable guidance on home care routines, product usage, lifestyle adjustments, and follow-up schedules. Support long-term scalp wellness beyond the treatment session. Build and grow a successful scalp therapy practice. Learn how to price, package, and position Rejuva scalp services. Understand how to accept FSA or HSA payments, obtain an NPI if needed, and use ethical marketing strategies to expand business opportunities. Let's begin your journey. I'll see you in Module 1, Understanding Hair and the Hair Shaft.